If you upload your videos on YouTube, you might get a chance to show up on Google searches like this, in the Videos tab, in the Images tab, and even in Google Discover. But what if you could improve the chance of search visibility by adding a video schema? We know the video creation process is already tough, so why not do a little more so that your videos can reach out to more people? Why waste a chance of more reach, right? And what if you choose not to host your videos on YouTube but host it on other platforms like Vimeo, Dailymotion, or Twitch? A video schema can level the playing field so that your videos can rank on search engines. So in this video, we will share with you how you can utilize our video schema to get the maximum search engine traffic regardless of where you host your videos. Let's go! Hey, it's Jack from RankMath, the Swiss Army knife for WordPress SEO. And if you have been following us, you know the knife is getting sharper by the day. And on this channel, we are all about helping you get the maximum reach on search engines. So if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. First things first, in case you're wondering why we didn't mention about hosting your videos straight from your WordPress website, that's because we don't recommend it, as it takes up a lot of server space and might negatively impact your site's user experience. And what we'll be sharing in this video is all about public videos. Videos that you want to rank on search engines, not the private ones where you want to keep for your sales funnels, alright? Now, let's talk about Video Schema, which is a feature for both free and the pro version of RankMath. All you need to do is to go to your RankMath's dashboard and make sure that the schema structured data module is toggled on so that on your page and post editor, on RankMaths tab and the schema tab, click on schema generator and you will see the predefined video schema here, where all you need to do is to add the relevant information. If you are using Elementor, assuming you have turned the schema structured data module on, you will find the video schema in the SEO tab, then schema is generator, and similarly, you'll see the video schema here. While the video schema is free to use, we highly recommend that you get the pro version, because free users are only able to add one schema per post or page. What if you want to add an FAQ schema to get an FAQ accordion on the search results? Or what if you want to add either one of these relevant schema types so that you can add a review rating to get a star rating markup on the search results? With the Pro version, you can add as many schema types as logically possible. Also, Pro users have more schema fields than free users, so they can provide a lot more context to search engines. You will know more about these fields in a while. And obviously, with RankMath Pro, there are many other cool SEO features that come along with the video schema, so if you don't have the Pro version yet, we highly recommend that you get that. Anyway, let me show you the difference between embedding a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, and possibly a Dailymotion video. Now, in the free version, you will have to manually add the video schema, but in the pro version, RankMath can detect a video and add the video schema with the appropriate data automatically. The setting that makes it happen is in the RankMath's titles and meta, under posts or pages, scroll to the bottom, and you will see the Autodetect video setting. You have the option to automatically generate a video thumbnail as well, so that it can rank on the images tab of search engines. These settings are not available in the free version. Now, as you go to any post or page, let's paste a YouTube video, a Vimeo video link, and a Dailymotion video link on this page. The videos will be embedded nicely on the post, which is cool, but what if you visit the schema tab of RankMath? You will not see the video schemas yet, because who knows, you may not want to use these videos in the end. Maybe you may delete the video along the way. But anyway, do not manually add a video schema because it may create duplicates. The auto detect video setting will work once you have published the page. Let's refresh it. And now on the schema tab, you will see 3 video schemas added, one for each video. Click on this and you will see most of the schema data for your YouTube video has been added for you automatically. The same goes for the Vimeo video and the Dailymotion. Now, we want to help you become the master of video SEO. So we will explain in depth what each of these fields mean, so you know how to customize them to your needs. Before that, if you have been running your website for a while and you have never used our video schema, but now you want to use it, however, it is too tedious to visit every post and page on your site that has a video on it and to add the video schema manually, we have a setting under Status and Tools, select the database tools, and as you scroll down, you will see this generate video schema for all posts and pages. Click on this generate button and you are done. Now let's talk about the video schema data. Well, the embed URL field is straightforward. In case you don't know where to get this embed URL, on YouTube, right below the video, you will see a share button. Click on it and select embed. You will see this YouTube embed link here with some random characters. This is the link we automatically add to the embed URL field. But if it is too complicated for you, as we have shown you, just copy the video URL and paste it on the post, publish or update the page, and the video link will be converted to the right embed link format. As for Vimeo, the embed link can be found as you click on the share button. And right here, the video embed link will be this. But again, if it's too complicated, just copy the video link, paste it on a post, and everything will be done for you in the right format. Together with all the data it receives from the video hosting platform, everything is streamlined for you. Next, we have the content URL field. Basically, this is the link to the source file that ends with a .mp4, .mov, etc. Normally, if your videos are hosted on hosting platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, etc., you will not have the link to the source file. So you can leave this field empty. This field is usually for videos that you have hosted locally on your site, and this is not something we recommend. But assuming you have uploaded a video on your site, to get the video content URL, you can visit your media library. As you click on your video, this is the content URL that should be added here if it is a locally hosted video. But again, we do not recommend this. Anyway, for the headline, let me use another example for better reference. You see this? This is how the headline will look on search engines. And it is what gets you clicks. So if the video title grabbed from your hosting platform is not good enough to elicit a click or not doing justice for your video, you should think about customizing it. Next, as for the description, it will appear on the search results of the video tab like this. The text you have written here will give more context to the search engines to rank your video, and also give more context to humans to entice them to click and watch your video. So optimizing it with relevant keywords is important for the success of your video, especially if it is not a YouTube video. Now, in case this field is empty, by default it will take information from the SEO description, which can be found in the general tab of Rank Math. Click on Edit Snippets and right here. And this field here will draw information through a series of checks which may not be well optimized for your video SEO needs. So we highly recommend that you customize your video description through the video schema. Simple as that, don't leave it empty. If you're struggling to write a good video description, here's a guide for you. Describe why people should watch your video, what benefit they will get, what information they will learn, and what outcome they should expect from watching your video. And make sure to include the keyword or key phrase you want this video to rank for. That's it! Now let's go to the next video schema data. Now, the shortcode allows you to display the video title, description, and the video on any parts of your website. Let's say that I copy this shortcode and paste it on the post. As I update the page and visit the live page, you will see the schema information together with the video displayed right under the embedded video. So using this shortcode, you can embed the video and schema data on any pages of your site, but it really depends on your use case. Next, let's skip to the duration first because this is the last field that free users have access to. The upload date data field and the rest of the predefined fields are for pro users. So the duration simply means how long is your video. Your video length. If your video is 1 hour 45 minutes and 10 seconds long, you need to add the time in the ISO 8601 format that looks like this. It starts with PT, 1 hour, 45 minutes, and 10 seconds. It is as simple as that. But this is not the right information for this video. It is 30 minutes and 49 seconds instead. The data in this field should automatically be added for you, but just in case it didn't, you now know how to add it yourself. Now let's go to the upload date. This should be added for you automatically as well. But just in case this is left empty, this field follows the ISO 8601 date format as well. It looks complicated, but actually it is not. An example will be this, which represents the year of the upload, the month, the day, space, It is uploaded at 3:27 p.m. and 2 seconds. And as you have seen earlier, for the YouTube video, they don't actually show the exact timing, but this is fine as well. But if you really want to know the upload time of a particular video, just copy the video link, go to this YouTube Metadata tool. This is the link, paste your YouTube video here, hit submit, and you can see that this video is published on 2022 May 11th at 12:01 p.m. and 7 seconds. On Vimeo, this information is easy to find. Right below the video, click on More, and you will see the date and time of the video upload. For Dailymotion, just hover to this, and the information will be displayed. Each video hosting platform will have its own way of displaying the upload date and time, so if you're not sure where to find that information, just contact the video hosting platform. Now, let's go to the next schema data. The video thumbnail field. If you have toggled the auto-generate image setting we've talked about earlier, RankMath will automatically generate a video thumbnail for you as it fetches the data from your video hosting platform. As it generates a video thumbnail, that image will be stored on your site, where you can access it through your media library, right here. This image will automatically be added to the video sitemap, which we'll be talking about in a while. And the link of this image will automatically be added on a video thumbnail field. And again, this video thumbnail will help your video rank on the image tab of the search engines. So it is important for your embedded video to have a video thumbnail here. It's super helpful for videos hosted on Vimeo, Dailymotion, or other video hosting platforms. However, if the video is uploaded directly to your site, the auto-generate image setting will not work. In that case, by default, this field will get the image from the featured image of the post. Next, we have the video clip schema field. You might be familiar with seeing the key moments of your YouTube videos when you include timestamps in the YouTube video description, or when Google automatically pulls out the video segments just like this. So this is especially important for videos that are not hosted on YouTube. Using this clip markup, you can define your own timestamps and labels so that search engines will understand them and show them as key moments on the search results. So what you need to do is just to click on Add Property Group, and a couple of fields will appear. This group of schema fields will represent one key moment. So if you have many key moments, you have to add the corresponding number of groups. And if you made a mistake by adding too many groups, you can simply click on Delete that is aligned with the video clip number. Let's work out an example. I've uploaded this video on Vimeo, and let's say that I want the Vimeo video to have the same timestamps as the video uploaded on YouTube. The clip name field is basically the description of the part of the video. In the sense of a YouTube video, it will be the description you've added for that timestamp. And on the search engines, the clip name will appear right below the timestamps as a label. So it is best to have a good description text for this field. If possible, add relevant keywords you wish the video to rank for. Anyway, the first clip name will be introduction, so I'll paste it here. The start offset will be the start time of the clip in seconds. So right here it is 0 seconds, so we'll put it as 0. And the end offset is the end time of that timestamp. So it ends at 55 seconds. The next timestamp starts at 56 seconds. So this will be 55. Now, the clip URL is basically the URL that will point to the start time of the clip. If you hover over the timestamps on the YouTube, let's copy this link for easy reference. You see this query where it shows t equals 0 seconds. This means that the video in this link, as you visit it, it will start playing at 0 seconds. But if you change the time to 56 seconds, hit enter, the video will start playing at 56 seconds. The timestamp query for each video hosting platform is different. Let's say that the key moment of that part of the video starts at 56 seconds. For YouTube, there are several query formats. The first is the one you have seen, where the random characters are what YouTube assigned to your video, and t equals 56s allows you to play the video at 56 seconds. The second format is adding question mark start equals 56 without the s to the YouTube embed URL. For Vimeo, it will be your video URL, and right behind you should add a hashtag t T equals 56 without the S. For Dailymotion, it will be question mark start equals 56. And for videos hosted on Facebook and Twitch, this will be their URL query format. And if the timestamp goes beyond a minute, say 1 minute and 30 seconds, these numbers here should reflect only in seconds, which is 90. So for this case, I will copy the video URL and paste it here. And since this is a Vimeo video, I will add a hashtag T equals 0 at the back of the URL. Let's do one more. Let's click on Add Property Group. Let's say we want to add the details of this timestamp here to the Vimeo video at 1 minute and 24 seconds. The clip name will follow the one on YouTube. I'll paste it here. And the start offset will be 84. Because as we convert 1 minute and 24 seconds into just seconds, it will be 84 seconds. And the end offset, as you can see here, it is 1 minute and 49 seconds. So it will be 109 seconds. And for the clip URL, I will copy the video link, paste it here, add a hashtag T equals the start time of the clip, which is 84. So I'll add 84 here. I hope this is easy for you to understand because this is super important, especially if you want your videos that are not hosted on YouTube to rank on Google and other search engines. This will give your videos an edge against non-YouTube videos, and it levels the playing field against YouTube videos because now search engines will treat your videos the same as those hosted on YouTube. If you're seeing value in this, how about a thumbs up, huh? Now back to the video schema. The width and height should automatically be added during the fetch data operation. This is basically the dimension of your video. If the data is already fetched, we recommend not to change anything. Basically, the width is the horizontal length of the video that is calculated in pixels. A typical horizontal YouTube and Vimeo video will be 1280 pixels. The height is the vertical length of the video. And a typical video will be 720 pixels in height. Ever heard of 720p or 1080p video quality? This is the dimension of a 720p video, which has a 16:9 ratio. And a 1080p video will have the same 16:9 dimension and a video width of 1920 pixels. Alright, now that you understand the video width and height, let's move on to this is family-friendly video toggle. If your embedded video contains vulgarities or are not suitable for kids to watch, do not toggle this on. Toggle this on only if your video is suitable for kids or anyone in the household to watch. And then we have these final options. These are not particularly video schemas, so even if you do not add anything to these fields, it's totally fine. However, the information added on this video text field will be included in the video sitemap. Assuming you have Rank Math Pro and you have embedded videos on your site, having a video sitemap allows search engines to know that there are videos on your site, and because you present it in a way that is easy for search engines to find all your videos, it gives your videos a higher chance of ranking on search engines. It works similarly to your XML sitemap. If you want to learn everything about sitemaps and how it will benefit your site, you can watch this video right here. So to activate the video sitemap module, if you have Rank Math Pro installed, you will see the module here on your Rank Maths dashboard. Toggle it and your video sitemap is basically ready. However, this video sitemap is dependent on the sitemap module, so you have to keep both on for it to work. Go to the video sitemap settings. You can find on the sitemap settings and over here the video sitemap as well. You will see your video sitemap link here. If you click on it, you will see all the videos you have added earlier on your post. Whenever the video sitemap detects a video, they will be added to this sitemap automatically, so everything is seamless for you. You just have to select the post type for the video sitemap to detect videos. So any videos found on your post, they'll be added to the video sitemap for the pages as well, and for the media in this case. If you don't want videos found on your pages to be added to the video sitemap, just uncheck it. And if you want the video sitemap to scan custom fields and look for the presence of video content, you can add the field name here. And if you don't want your site visitors to see this video sitemap, but you only want search engines to see it, you can toggle this on. Back to the video schema, video tags allow you to describe the video. Think about hashtags you add to your social media videos. But instead of squeezing all the words into a line of text, you can have spaces here. Let's say that this video is about rank math. So we will add it here. If you want to add more tags, separate them with a comma, SEO, rank math tutorial. You can add a maximum of 32 tags. Save for this post, update the page, go to your video sitemap and refresh it. You will now see the video tags on your sitemap. Alright, we have all the video schema data in place, but how do we know if there are any schema errors? You see on your rank math schema tab, there is this eye icon. Just click on any one of them, and these are all the schema data for your entire page. Click on Test with Google, and all the codes will be added on Google's Rich Results Testing tool. Click on Test Code, and you will see that you have passed the Rich Results test. You see we have added 3 videos, and it is showing the 3 videos we have added. Now this means your embedded videos will now be understandable by search engines. Oh, and one more thing. If you ever delete a video from a post or page, make sure that you delete the corresponding video schema so that it will be removed from the video sitemap and eventually from the search results. That way you won't create a negative user experience for people visiting this page. Whether you're hosting your videos on YouTube or other video hosting platforms, as long as you want to expand the reach of your videos to search engine traffic, video schema and sitemap will be extremely helpful for you. And we highly recommend that you go with Rank Math Pro because you can give so much more context to search engines, like having them know what should be in the key moments for your non-YouTube videos. We hope this video is helpful for you video creators and site owners. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments or contact our friendly support team. We have left the support link in the description. And if you wish for us to constantly feed you with SEO tips and knowledge, subscribe to our channel. This is Jack from Rank Math. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our other videos.